How to delete all archived messages at once. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete all the archived messages at once. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device. Now, once you are in, tap on the menu icon right here at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now you can see archive right here. Tap on archive. Now, in order to delete all this at once, all you have to do is tap on edit right here. Tap on it. Now select all of the chats like this. Now once you selected, you can see two options, mark unread and delete. Simply tap on delete. Now you can see tap on delete again. Be sure before deleting it as it can't be undone. So tap on delete. And once you do that, all of your archive chat has been deleted. That's it. This is how easy it is to delete the archive chats on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.